With the door in the closed position, remove the external hinge cover and the bottom capping. Do this delicately as to not scratch the external UPVC. Open the door to gain access to the internal side of the hinge. It is very important to first remove the 2 grub screws on each hinge, 6 in total, 2 per hinge. Not doing this will result in damaging the hinge. In order to adjust the hinge vertically, adjust both the top and bottom screws with the appropriate Allen key, ensuring the hinge is adjusted equally. In order to adjust the hinge horizontally, use the PVCU door spanner to adjust the door hinge as required. Once all adjustments are complete and you are happy with the operation, return all grub screws to their original position. Reapply the bottom capping and external hinge cover to their respective positions.